Google VEO3 has officially changed the AI video game. It's not just another video tool, it creates cinematic realistic scenes that feel like they came out of a film studio. But it goes further. It adds AI generated voice, lip sync the dialogue.
Time to teach these kids how it's done.
And lets you direct a scene using just your imagination. Now here's the catch, right? Now Google VEO3 is limited to the United States. Google Flows, which is part of the experience, is not available in other regions. If you are watching this from outside the US, don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to use Google VEO3 for free from anywhere in the world. No payment, no watermark, no technical skill needed. I will even show you the video result I got using just a simple prompt. And if you stay until the end, I will give you a secret strategy that uses AI to write powerful video prompts for you, making your video 10x better. Whether you are doing storytelling, content creation, marketing, or even short film. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. Why you need a VPN and how to set one up. So let's start with the most important step, setting up a VPN. Because VEO3 is currently geolocated to the US, you need to spoof your location. A VPN lets you do just that. It tricks Google into thinking you are accessing the internet from inside the US. Now, if you are thinking of using a free VPN, listen carefully. Most free VPNs are not secure. They can track your browsing, slow down your internet, or even sell your data. That's why I recommend using a backup Gmail, not your main one, especially if it's linked to the payments or your real identity. But just for this demo, I will show you how to install a free VPN on Chrome. Step by step, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then click Extension. Choose Manage Extension. Click Open Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Free VPN. Look for extension with at least 4-star ratings and thousands of users. Click Add to Chrome. Once installed, click the extension icon in the top toolbar. Choose the United States as your location and connect. Now your browser is wired to the US. Alternatively, I recommend Opera browser. It has a built-a VPN and you can activate a 7-day free premium trial with better speeds and more locations. Once your VPN is activated, leave it on the entire time you use Google VEO3. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, accessing the tools. Getting access to Google VEO3. Now that your VPN is on and your location is set to the US, let's get you into VEO3. Open a private browser window or incognito mode. Go to the official Google DeepMind VEO page. You can find the direct link in this video description. Pick the button that says Try Gemini. Once inside the Gemini dashboard, click the Upgrade button. Sign in using your backup Gmail account. Select the free 1-month trial of Gemini Advanced. Don't worry, you can cancel before it ends to avoid charges. Now, here's what happens. Gemini Advanced unlock the VEO3 video creation button. You will see a new video camera icon at the bottom of the screen. That's where the VEO tools lives. Congratulations! You now have full access to Google VEO3 with all the premium features. Let's create a video together. Creating your first AI video with VEO3. Once you click the VEO icon, a text box will appear. This is where you describe your scene. Think of it like writing a movie director note. The more clearly you describe what's happening, the better the AI performs. Here an example. A female firefighter stands on a burning rooftop at sunset. She wearing a red helmet and holding a hose. In the background, a helicopter circles overhead. She looks into the camera and say, "We are doing everything we can to stop the spread. Stay safe, include dramatic lighting, slow motion effect, and close-up angle." Now click create. VEO3 will take your prompt and generate a video that includes a realistic setting, 3D animated character, synced lip movements, voice with emotion. Wait time is usually between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the complexity. And here's the result I got from the exact prompt above. As you can see, the facial expression, voice sync, and camera motion are shockingly accurate. This used to take hours with a video team.
We're doing everything we can to stop the spread. Stay safe.
You can download the video with no watermark and use it in your content. Crafting better prompt with AI help. What makes or breaks your video is the quality of your prompt. The good news, you don't need to be an expert. Here's the trick. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to help you write your prompts. Let's say you want a video of a detective walking down a dark alley in the rain. Type this into ChatGPT. Write a VEO3 prompt for a cinematic scene of a detective walking through a rainy alley at night with voiceover narration. And here's what the AI might give you. A middle-aged male detective in a long trench coat walked through a dark rainy alley lit by neon sign. Water splashes under his boots. A voiceover say, "In this city, justice is never clean, but someone got to do it." And slow zoom in, nighttime lighting, and thunder sound. Just copy, paste, and create.
In this city, justice is never clean, but someone's got to do it.
You can also experiment with Gen or sci-fi drama, product demos, news, sport, or even educational explainers. And yes, you can even do AI explainer videos for YouTube, complete with characters talking to the camera. Use cases, ideas, and monetization. So what can you actually do with Google VEO3? Here are just a few powerful use cases. YouTube Shorts videos, create talking head style content without showing your face. Add creative test marketing ideas with quick visuals. Storytelling, make animated stories, trailers, or fiction shorts. Explainers, education, use a virtual character to teach a topic. Business content, generate promos, videos for product or services. And if you are a freelancer, offer AI video creation services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Many brands and businesses are paying for this because it's cheaper than traditional video production. And that's your completely guide to unlock the full power of Google VEO3 from anywhere in the world for free without a watermark. You have now got everything you need to start creating stunning AI-generated videos that look like they came out of a movie trailer. No studio, no crew, just your ideas, your laptop, and the tools I share with you today. If you are planning to scale your projects, use multiple accounts for testing, or offer VEO-generated content as a service, there is something you need to know. Managing multiple accounts on the same website can get you flagged, shadow banned, or worse, blocked. That's why I highly recommend watching my next video, how to manage multiple accounts on any website without getting banned. In that video, I break down exactly how pros do it using safe browser profiles, device fingerprinting protection, and smart identity management to stay under the radar. It's a must watch if you are serious about running an online business or scaling your AI project. Click it now. It's linked on the screen and in the description below. Thank you for watching. Like this video if it helps you. Subscribe if you want more tutorial like this, and drop your AI videos ideas in the comment. I just might turn your prompt into my next video. Stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.